Rhythm. That rhythm is the essence of this Anuloma Pranayama. This rhythm is the spine of this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Today, Namaskar, welcome. Anuloma Viloma Pranayama is one of the very important pranayamas looking to the present situation, looking to the present social structure, where almost everyone suffering from some mental and psychological problem. And this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama is one of the best pranayama to cure your psychological problem, mental problem, or to maintain your physical and your mental health so that you can prevent some psychological and mental problem. To practice Anuloma Viloma, you need to maintain a rhythmic breathing where you need to maintain equal pressure, equal time, equal quantity, and equal ratio. If you maintain these four things, then it will create a rhythm. That rhythm is the essence of this Anuloma Pranayama. This rhythm is the spine of this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Today, I will give you a small tips by out of my experience and out of many students to whom I worked with, so that you can get the best result out of this Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. And that is exhale properly. During the Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, we are not exhaling properly. Maybe we are not also inhaling properly, but somehow most of people able to inhale properly. But most of us not able to exhale properly longer. Let me show you. Anuloma Viloma is all about rhythm. Look. So you need to maintain a rhythm. People are not doing in this way. They are doing, I am showing the wrong way. Or no, this is not the right way to do Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Or this is also not the right way, like no, this is also not right way. It means either you are not exhaling properly, smoother, longer, or you are not inhaling properly. So here, please try to focus your exhalation properly. Exhalation, inhalation should be longer and smoother and 100%. Whenever you are inhaling, if you are using 2-second inhale 100% air, 100% quantity within 2 seconds, and longer and smoother also. Not like this. And exhale. This is actually the problem. I found many of the practitioners, they are not able to exhale longer. They are doing it this way, not in this way. I am showing you how to exhale longer. Try to longer exhale. So it should be longer exhale, smoother exhale, 100% exhale. So the tips is inhale longer, 100% and smoother. Exhale longer, 100% and smoother. If you are using 3 seconds to inhale, then 3 seconds inhale, 100% air within 3 seconds, and it should be smoother. And exactly within 3 seconds, 100% exhale, and it should be smoother and of course longer. Longer means constantly for 3 seconds. I am showing you once again. So you need to inhale and exhale longer. For this, use your thoracic part. Your chest has to be open and wide. If you can manage to do this, definitely good result will come. And one more thing I would like to present over here to correct your breathing style. Exhale longer than inhale. For some time, maybe for 1 week, maybe for 2 weeks. It means if you are using 2-second inhale, 2-second exhale, then use 2-second inhale and 3-second exhale. If you are using 3-second inhale, 3-second exhale, then use 3 seconds inhale, 4-second exhale. So always try to exhale longer for 2 weeks so that you can develop a habit to exhale longer and more. And it is also help for your psychic problem. And it will help to release your negativities and impurities more. Let me show you. Look. Here I inhaled 2 seconds, I exhaled 3 seconds. So you can do in this way. Let me show you once again the correct method, the right way to do your Anuloma Viloma breathing, alternate breathing, so that you can get the right result, the proper result for your growth and success. Always start from your clean and clear nostril and always start from exhalation. And inhale 100% within 2 seconds or 3 seconds or 4 seconds, whatever you have decided, looking to your age, looking to your disease, looking to your anything. And exhale completely 100% using your seconds. Look my hand. Just after the breathing, stay for few moments. Don't do anything. In fact, you feel to stay, you feel to stop wherever you are. Don't force yourself to do something. Suddenly, don't open your eyes. Feel within. Definitely, your breath stops for few moments over there and you feel immense joy and bliss within for few seconds. If you do correct breathing practice, correct Anuloma Viloma breathing practice, correct alternate breathing practice. I hope you have understood whatever I have presented over here. Exhale longer, smoother, 100%. Don't hesitate to write all the questions related to the Anuloma Viloma breathing. Have a great time ahead. Take care. Thank you.